Throughout this video, I will be exploring how human augmentation and digital technology is positive or negative in the development of humanity. I will be evaluating the impact digital technology and human augmentation has on our society and humanity as a whole. Digital technology has arrived rapidly into the young person's life. Opportunities of communication have arisen through social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter or Snapchat. McFarlane states that citizen journalism is also increasing in popularity throughout humanity. Individuals can join in with broadcasts, news reports and television streaming wherever and whenever, meaning society is constantly connected. Digital natives have been socialised in a way that is greatly different to their parents. Technology is a huge part of their everyday life. It is mainly today's students that are seen as digital natives, and anyone born after 1980 are digital immigrants. These individuals find it difficult to adapt around new and improved technology. These ideas come from Prensky in 2010. The negatives of digital technology in regard to the development for humanity comes from the Online Manifesto, established by Floridi in 2015. It explores the development of information and communication technologies and the therefore blurred distinctions between human and machine, therefore making it harder to determine the impact digital technology has on our society. The lengths that science and medics can reach to help people improve their everyday lives are astounding, and for many, living without these developments, such as their prosthetic limbs, is out of the question, just like living with our limbs would be for you or me. The documentary, The Limbless Mountaineer, shows the developments of human augmentation and the benefits not just to somebody's everyday life, but also to huge challenges they may face, meaning that medical and sensible human augmentation is a benefit for humanity. However, there is an increasing issue in regard to human augmentation, and that is the stage in which people go to radically alter their bodies or personalities. An example of this is the Google Glass. These are semi-permanently attached to the individual and allow for diminished reality. This can create the issue of unfairness throughout humanity, as only those who can afford and work this technology can control their society and what they see. Also, the issue of the uncanny valley stems from that of human augmentation. Humanity as a whole do not wish to see robots or non-human beings to have too similar features to humans. For example, the idea of prosthetic limbs are widely accepted and common within our society, but realistic robots and artificial intelligence is not.